Hello viewers, welcome to the Financial Learnings with me, CA Ruchi Maheshwari. Today we're going to talk about how to save money. पैसे कैसे बचाए जाए? पैसे तो हम सब कमाते हैं. We all earn money. But a lot of times we don't save that money. And in our last episode, we talked about saving being the first and the most important mantra to manage our financial wealth and well-being, as I always say. So today I'm going to talk about this topic, and I'll tell you a lot of excuses that people give me. When I've talked to a lot of my newcomers in the team, I've heard these excuses. I'm sure people will relate to that. Everybody says, मैम पैसे ही नहीं होते सेव करने के लिए, और सारे पैसे खर्च हो जाते हैं. But that's not the way that you save. So the saving formula is not money earned minus spend is equal to saving. नहीं, अगर आपको सेव करना है तो आपको रिवर्स करना होगा. आपको पहले सेव करना होगा from what you earn, and then what is left is what you need to spend. Okay? So the first and the primary goal that you need to have has to be saving. पैसे बचाना. So saving is a discipline. It's like a routine that you have to build in your normal regime. It's like जैसे आप खाना खाते हैं, जैसे आप बाकी अपने हेल्थ एस्पेक्ट्स देखते हैं, वैसे ही सेविंग आपको इनकॉर्पोरेट करना पड़ेगा अपने नॉर्मल रूटीन में. So this discipline has to start from day one. So अगर आप बड़े हैं, आपके बच्चे हैं, आई एम श्योर आपने भी शायद पहले करा होगा, इज द इजीएस्ट वे ऑफ सेविंग इज द पिगी बैंक. यस, ये मेरा छोटा सा पिगी बैंक है जो अब मैंने अपनी बेटी को दे रखा है, एंड वो इसमें कुछ कुछ सेव करती है. बट पॉइंट वो नहीं है, इसमें आपका एक रूटीन बन सकता है. ये पिगी बैंक आपको अपने छोटे नीड्स के लिए आप शुरू कर सकते हैं. इसमें आप थोड़े थोड़े पैसे डाल के अपनी कोई एक रिक्वायरमेंट के लिए सेव कर सकते हैं. बट ये आपकी लाइफ की सेविंग्स नहीं बन सकता. द पिगी बैंक इज ओनली फॉर शॉर्ट टर्म. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दैट. वेरी नियरली डियरली रिक्वायर्ड, अगर आपको अपनी बीवी की गिफ्ट के लिए करना है, या अपने फियांसी के लिए करना है, और एनीथिंग फॉर योर ओन पर्पस. लाइक इफ यू वांट टू बाय अ स्मॉल a big I will say, if you want to buy a phone or something that is there and you need to put in for like 5 months, 6 months, that's when you can use a piggy bank. But for your life savings, you will need to think more, and you will have to devise a method to actually start saving. और कैसे हम सेव कर सकते हैं? हम सेव कर सकते हैं जब हमें वो पैसे दिखे ना. बिकॉज सबसे बड़ा एक्सक्यूज क्या आता है कि पैसे खर्च कर दिए, या आई स्पेंड माई मनी. So in that case, what you do is actually, before you get your earnings, like how we pay our taxes, start putting out your money for the savings from that side itself. So if you earn 100 rupees as an example, maybe you're giving 10 rupees as tax, define a percentage and say another 10 rupees will be my savings. So what you get in hand will be 100 minus the 10 rupees tax minus the 10 saving, which means 80. And what I will use in my house will only be the 80 rupees. So that's how your saving will start. Okay? Another way, एक और बहुत important aspect है कि हर साल जो jobs में होते हैं उनको increment मिलता होगा. वो अपना yearly increment को एक saving amount बना सकते हैं. वो उसे define कर सकते हैं that the new increment that I get will be the new increased amount that I will put into my saving, and the last year increment amount that I got would now become my spend, right? So which means you're increasing your savings and you're also enjoying it. क्योंकि हमें सेव करना है पर हमें अपनी इच्छाएं नहीं मारनी है, right? हमें उसे easily यूज करना है, हमें एक अच्छा रूटीन बनाना है सेविंग का. And definitely, as we talked about the other mantras, we will all link it together. But first, build up your habit to save. Saving is very, very important. So start saving and don't wait for another time. Don't say कि कल से करूँगा, next year से करूँगा. Start from today. So I will recommend that you keep sharing your ideas how you've actually started to save. Put in your comments into the comment section and I will respond back to any of your queries on it too. I really thank you to join me into this journey. If you are not a subscriber, then please subscribe to our channel and stay continued on this journey with us. And also really thankful for the great feedback on my first episode, which was the 5 financial mantras. So looking forward to meeting you every week. And as I always say, like, share and comment, and also subscribe to our channel to be connected with us. Thank you.